Hello, and thank you for joining me. This is the auto poster for the Craigslist car and truck for sale category. Only the car and truck for sale category, by owner or owner, it doesn't matter. Right? What it does is it lets you post with using one email, post 5 different ads. Okay? And it sends them to your email where you will go later and confirm them. Let me quickly show you how it works. Price of a car. This is a completely fictitious car. I'm going to make one up completely just for the sake of this demonstration. Area code, email address. Now I'm going to choose for sale by owner. If you choose for sale by dealer, then it's going to still work. It's going to send it to the email. But once you're in the email, they charge $5 for the dealer section. You probably know this. Maybe not in your state. It doesn't matter. Either way, the software will work no matter what. That scenario. If that scenario comes up, the software still works for you. Okay, so I'm gonna pick for sale by owner anyway. Then we'll choose an image. Alright, and we select the site, right? So we're going to choose anywhere. No, Illinois, Chicago. Oh, sorry. Okay. Alright. Specific location. You don't have to put anything in here, or you can. Call now. Or Chicago. You know what I mean. Okay. Now, the titles can be all the same except to change them up a little bit. Um, Okay. Now, I'm just making this up, obviously. So you can put anything you want in here. I'm just going to do this for the sake of saving this time. Okay, I got the picture, everything's set, and let's start. Are you sure? Absolutely. It works pretty fast. You can also open up 2 or 3 of these and work them simultaneously. Okay? This way you could post 5 here, 5 in another window, 5 in another window. The only thing I recommend is try timing them so when the picture frame opens, it's not the same time as another one of the software's picture frames opening. You don't want the picture frame, this part right there, the picture. When that opens, you don't want another software that you opened up posting ads to also do that. Okay, but you can run them simultaneously, saving yourself a lot of time. Just think, if you opened up 3 of these with 3, and you have to use 3 different emails, obviously, because you can only post 5 ads, like we're doing now, with 1 email. So if you have 3 softwares open with 3 different emails, you can post 15 ads. And again, if you're having trouble keeping your ads live, if your ads don't go live, this software works perfectly with FlagProofer. FlagProofer works. You must try it. If you're having any difficulty getting your posts live on Craig, or if you do get your posts live but they get flagged a lot, FlagProofer solves all of that, all of those problems. Okay, we're almost about done here. Should be. With 5 posts. Well, I think we might be done with 5 posts. That's it. Let's check it out. 1, let's check it out. It's funny I said that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, all done. Okay. So it's finished. It was on its last one. All titles have been published. It says it on the bottom here. Sorry, I didn't notice that. In my other software, a little window usually pops up and says it's all finished, but this one just stopped. All titles have been published. So that's pretty much it. One thing I wanted to also mention, when you close this software out, you know, assuming that you don't have 3 others open posting more ads, but the last one you close out, like for this one, for example, if I click this, it'll just go away, and when I can reopen more, you know, through my documents. But in other words, and also just so you know, like if you want to open up another one, okay, you know, so that's what would happen. It already has all the info from the last time you posted. So that saves you all the time of filling it out like I just did. You do not have to fill it out each time. Unless you're changing the car, unless you're changing everything, the only thing you have to do, let's say you're trying to sell this one car tomorrow. You come back on, you open it up, you change the email because you have to change, you know, use one email, post 5 ads, and you could use it every 3 days, but not before 3 days. So you need a new email tomorrow, change that, and that's it. You press start. All this is already filled out for you. Well, I hope that helps. After, again, one last thing, after you post the 5 ads and you go to your email, you know, you just do your thing, you click on it. It might ask me for a phone verification, you know, because I just used this one, but, oh no, there. That's it. There's the ad. Okay, and of course there are 4 more waiting for you to go. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.